looks great.
A little scramble
Go first.
situation. And
Can I have a sip of the chia, sister?
Definitely. It is orange and passion fruit.
Nice.
Perfect for breakfast.
Mmm.
Isn't that good? So we've got red onion, tomato, egg, and then I put a little lemon slice for a little lemon drizzle.
Okay.
And then we've got a little bit of this yogurt, tapatio.
Yum.
For a little spice. Good morning from us, and whatever time it is for you. It could be afternoon or evening, but it's our morning. We are going to go on a hike today.
We're kind of on the edge of this big bay, Golden Bay. Oh, thank you. We're on the edge of this big bay, Golden Bay, and then we're going to go and walk over some sand dunes to a beach that's on the Tasman Sea over there. So we're going from our protected bay over to the ocean, and this is just a very unique corner of New Zealand. It's one road in and one road out, so it's kind of like we're at the end of the road out here.
It's a bit of a mission. Alex was like, I don't know, just because it is sort of out of the way, because like Alex said, it's one way, so you come all the way down and then you have to go back the same way that you came. And we're trying to see as much of the South Island as we can, but everyone said that we have to come this way, so we were like, let's make it happen. So we did it, and it's beautiful and feels well worth it. And I think probably after we go on our hike today, we'll probably feel even more so.
Definitely. Yeah, and the weather's perfect, so
It's so nice.
let's eat up and get to it.
What do you want me to bring in terms of snackies? I've got this little glass to go container, which I cannot get the sticker off of. It's like
sandwich would be nice. A little peanut butter and jelly for me.
Okay,
awesome.
Peanut butter jelly. And we've got that little
There's
bread.
Sourdough bread there.
I might do Nutella and jelly.
Yeah.
Is that weird?
No.
Homemade plum and blackberry jam that we made ourselves. Nothing better.
Crackers?
Crackers, check.
We need a little bag for cheese. I'll slice them off. We've made a pumpkin, potato, onion stew with some bone broth, and then it's seasoned with paprika, turmeric, garlic powder, and Moroccan dukkha, which is like a Moroccan spice blend. So we'll just leave that simmering away on slow cook in this really cute, tiny little slow cooker. And hopefully when we come back, we'll have a nice, yummy, warm meal.
Add a little rice and we'll be ready to have dinner.
Sounds nice. Rice is nice.
Our whole lives revolve around food. What are we having for breakfast? What are we gonna have for lunch on the hike?
And let's cook dinner before we go.
And let's cook dinner before we go so that we're prepared for dinner. Apples, cheese, crackers, sandwiches. We are good to go.
Yeah, no, it's really good.
J'ai pas
Where did you learn?
Espagne.
Spain.
Yeah,
Yes.
last country.
Okay.
En français plus vieux.
We just found the cutest coffee shop. Don't know what it's called. I don't know if I'm sure it has a name, but it's not really labeled. But it's essentially just like here in the trees and all outdoors. The sign outside says, open from 10 a.m. to 4 on good weather. Slow living. That's what we're doing.
Enjoy your apple. One savory bite at a time.
Well, when do we ever picnic?
Not enough.
Not enough.
That needs to change.
It's changing like pronto.
Picnicking is the best.
The what? The best.
Why do picnics not happen more?
Why do we eat inside of our house when we can step outside in the grass and eat outside?
Great question. That was so nice.
Still so nice. Not some of my jam, right?
I already ate some of it. You weren't looking. For all you feet weirdos out there.
This one's for all the foot fetish people out there. Screenshot that. Smells good in there?
It smells super good in here.
See what's happening.
Oh, it's bubbling away. How cool.
Ooh, it smells good. You just got some on my constance.
Oh my gosh, that smells really good. Over some rice?
Yeah. It's on low right now, so it still could use some time. Oh my god, close to those fingers.
Maybe too busy.
Slow cooked pumpkin, onion, potato with some rice.
Garlic rice.
Garlic rice,
Yeah.
butter.
Looks really good. Smells great.
Smells so good in here. This one is pooped from the day. Not even interested in the fact that we're eating. That's when you know he's really tired.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. It's hot.
Better be. It's been cooking for like 6 hours. 7.5 actually.
Epic. It's like a curry.
Mm-hmm. Vegetable. Din.
Hello, coming to you from Lake Tekapo on the South Island, of course. Still traveling along the South Island. I haven't talked to you guys in a couple of days. We went through Christchurch to get down to this area, which is called the Mackenzie Country around here in New Zealand. Beautiful open spaces, forest, mountains. It is nice and hot here today, which is cool. We didn't know if it was going to be colder because from what we've heard, the further down you get into the South Island, especially coming into fall right now, we've heard it's going to be really cold and it might get cold at night, but just driving in here and setting up the caravan, it's hot, which I'm super into. The main reason why we went to Christchurch and stayed overnight in Christchurch was because I've been really wanting to go to the Kate Shepherd house, which is Kate Shepherd's old house. And if you don't know who Kate Shepherd is, she helped women get the right to vote in New Zealand. New Zealand was the first country in the world. In 1893, she started a petition and a campaign for the right for women to vote. So it's a really big deal to New Zealand, and it's a really big deal to women all over the world. And they have a museum, which is Kate Shepherd's old house that she lived and worked in. And when I was here in 2019, I heard that the government was purchasing her old house to open it up to the public as a museum. And it's been of interest for me since then. And so when we were near Christchurch last, I started looking up, okay, well, can we go check out Kate Shepherd house? So many things that happened that were just kind of shocking and also really, really special. And I posted on Instagram, the caption explained everything that happened that day, but I also filmed a video. Alex helped me put together a video just explaining about Kate Shepherd and kind of the serendipitous moments that we had in there and what it's all about and stuff. So I'll definitely be sharing that soon. I don't know if it'll be my next video or 2 videos from now, but it will definitely be something that I post very soon, and I'll explain all of that good stuff to you. So I'll save that for my next video, but if you want to jump ahead and kind of hear more about it, then you can go to my Instagram and check out my latest photo to kind of hear all the ins and outs of what happened. Right now we're in Lake Tekapo, and our view in the caravan right now is absolutely stunning. And we, for the first time, set up our awning, which is cool. We haven't had to really put it up yet for anything, but like I said, it's hot here right now, so we were able to put our awning up. I am looking at this stop not only as a beautiful location for beautiful walks and views, and I hope to jump in the lake. I don't know how cold it is, but it just looks so pristine and turquoise and gorgeous. As I said, we got the awning up. I heard something outside and the awning fell over. Awesome. Alex and Lanka are on a run right now, so I'm gonna see if I can get this thing back up myself. All right, my camera ran out of storage while I was out there, so I had to clear some space. But hi, I'm here. The awning is up, which that feels pretty good because earlier Alex and I had to do it together, and the fact that it was pretty easy and self-explanatory, but it just feels good that I was able to get it back up without him, because it's kind of like, you kind of need someone to hold one side and like do the other, because it's sort of like, you know, an awning. With Alex, as we were driving in here, I was like, I'm manifesting this location as kind of our reset location, and that's exactly what it's already panning out to be. We needed to do laundry, like our sheets and some clothes. We haven't really done it since we've been on the road, and it's been about 2 weeks, going into our 3rd week right now, and we just like needed to do a reset. I like kind of just did a deep clean in here again. We went to the grocery store. I honestly am loving this way of travel. I think that it is the best of both worlds. You feel so free because you don't have any of these attachments to certain places that you have to be in, like checking in and checking out, but you have everything that makes you feel cozy or that you want with you when you're traveling. Not even things that you need. Like, we have more than we need in this caravan, and it's nice that it can attach to the car. We can bring the car into town and go into the market if we need to, or take it to a certain location to go on a hike or a view that we want to see, but the caravan kind of just stays put as like our little home while we're on the road. And it's nice we can cook, and like that we have a small fridge to go grocery shopping, and it's just kind of my new favorite way to travel. I'm going to end this video for you guys right now because I'm worried it's getting quite long at this point. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments below, and please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you are not already, definitely make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that you never miss a new video from me. It's always good to have notifications on as well, set to always, because then you really won't miss a new video from me. And I will see you guys very soon in a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.